Hey there, I'm Ernie Meller, pitmaster at Hog Wild Real Memphis Barbecue. Here going to show you a really cool recipe. We're going to do a Blue Note Bourbon and Peach Glaze. This thing is great on all kinds of things, particularly chicken, ham, turkey, you name it, you can use it as a condiment on just about anything. So we're going to start with some fresh peaches that we diced up. You can actually use frozen if you like. And then a little bit of maple syrup and fresh lemon juice. You can actually use lemon juice concentrate if you like. And this is going to cook for 10 or 15 minutes until it reduces down some. So now we're going to add our other ingredients. We've got the Blue Note Bourbon, Creole mustard, roasted garlic and pepper. This is a dry mixture, dry spice that we buy. And apple cider vinegar. This will need to cook another 5 or 10 minutes or so. So a total of about 20 minutes on the heat, and then a healthy pinch of salt. And this is going to be spectacular. Now you can take the back of a fork and mash your peaches down, make it a little finer, or you can actually pour the whole concoction once you get to this stage into a food processor and blend it up. So this is our finished product, the Blue Note Bourbon and Peach Glaze. Again, it's great on just about anything. Super with chicken, turkey, ham. Just a nice consistency here. You see how we mush that down. And as Julia Child used to say, bon appetit.